Is this the best keyboard you can get for $100? Meet the YUNZII AL66. The keyboard set comes with additional keycaps, a compact yet stylish keyboard with a 65% layout, 66 keys, and a functional knob, is designed to enhance your typing and gaming experience. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connections, and can connect to up to 4 devices at the same time. It seems my cat likes it too. With a 4600 mAh battery, you can type for up to 90 hours. The AL66 is hot swappable and supports 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switches. With the YUNZII Milk linear switches, every keystroke is a delight.